What's up guys, welcome back to Kia TV and welcome to another movie. So this one it take kinda maybe have enough ideas he take, but anyways the work about to become about here as you see down I take below. It's a full movie this time, not like the short film I did post before. Still working on the full movie for that one. And also remember for Obsession Part 2, we still need a person for act as the detective in it. So you just link we up for the important 20 act. And thanks for your support, I really appreciate it. And just go and watch a movie, enjoy, stay safe, continue to support me, we appreciate it. Remember, go over to Kira and Toga TV, subscribe and watch the prank them. Meanwhile, when you don't watch this, you have that for watch, you go and watch them there. Meanwhile, until our next movie post. So big up on yourself, stay safe out there, and just watch the video out to the end.
Evening, Miss Valerie.
Good evening, Roshan. How are you going to know? It's school.
You know, say you're not too bad, though. I'm just there going take your study serious and thing. But Kira, you know, in there.
She's supposed to run her room there, you know. So how comes you have under prayer in a college there? A rude boy wear them something there, you know. You're supposed to say a college there?
No, man, I'm here, man. I don't know rude boy thing. I'm here. I can make it lay down some waves. You know waves? Mm-hmm. Yeah, them things they are going there, so.
Okay.
Call Kira, so.
Kira! Kira, Roshan, come on, it's in call you.
You out the door? So make him come now, man, a stranger.
Alright.
Can you me in the room?
Okay. She said I can't come in now.
She in there?
Yeah, sure, my room.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready, man.
I wonder how you're going to do that science exam today. Maybe I'm going to throw some away for you.
Don't study from last night. Just a study.
You ready?
Yeah, man, yeah, you come.
Probably I forgot to inside of you. So you come and ask me about it from around. I make never just come in.
You never told me, see, I wrote them the back, sorry for gone. Because you kind of late now.
So come on now, you ready?
Take up a book and come on. So, remember, the card, they forget from your mother, you know. It's the same for remind.
Oh yeah, if you get teacher or something. Alright, I go to her and come back.
Alright, man.
Alright, I'll come back. Really?
Yes. What happened now?
I go left now, so I did ask you if you did get you something. When you tell about the teacher said, because I eat. Roshan just come and remind me that the teacher did say we have to pay today. So yeah, we can get you right.
Yes, man, me have a man. Me have the bank here, you know. So, I go give you, and you draw the money. And when you finish, you get it back and give me.
Alright, yeah. Go on for now.
Here.
Alright, so how much me the same the exact amount, right?
You can draw a little extra, prepare your taxi fare when you come.
Alright, then I got that then. Alright, so I'll go back in the room and get my bag away. I go left now here. So later when we come back. But you go cook today.
Rice and peas and pork.
Alright, for the moment I really wish I could have board for the school, but if we can't board, we can't board just so. Anyways, we will go fill my bag and we left now, yeah?
Alright.
Alright, so come on now. Come on now.
Okay, book them there and you can get on back.
I don't want no bag. Then me have to do it. Alright, for me, so later I come back.
Yeah, Miss Barney.
Yeah, you can clear.
Yeah, girl.
How you let them sit there for buy?
Every time you come at me, I don't want to know everything. So I'm all old school.
But I know say school alright and everything though. As I can see them two big old textbook they study every day. What go on with everything alright?
Yeah, I don't know why you need if a textbook there. You like school or you just do this because, girl.
Of course, I like school, yeah, that, but the best thing for me right now, when time I left, we see the success after. So, I want to chat to Buckley's Papa.
That the man there, if I catch him now strangling me not need to call him. I'm supposed to come here do my own thing now. You go to school, just make sure you come out to something good so we can put him to shame. I don't like him, you know.
Boy, I tell you, but if mommy ever knows, I'm going to look for you. I better come grow on before she know. So, I will call her later.
Your mother can too go on like a Christian and like me a worst thing. Go on, come go on run to your Christian mother, go on. Because stay there, selling river run very deep.
Good evening, honey. Oh yeah, I'm ready to so long for school. I'm going long class over.
Mommy, I know see I'll see me go look for my sister. We go see how she doing. Just these stuff around her yard when me I come.
You go look for Lacey, your sister. That's a bad picnic there. I don't want you link it with her, you know. You can talk to her on your phone, but stay far from her.
But mommy and my sister, for by my father side, they can't tell me my sister not talk to my sister and go look for my sister. Plus, she live near to college, so I just stop and check her.
I don't want you to stop her yard because she have bad influence and I don't want she to spoil you up.
Alright, take care dear. Thanks.
Okay. Kira, what on there? Why you pick up something from down at church for me?
What that mommy? Where you want me to pick up for you?
Sister, come on now. I'll give you one bag with something for me. Just collect it.
Yeah.
And your uncle send one money, so you can collect that too.
If you collect it now before I
Yeah,
go?
yeah, collect it before you go.
Alright, mommy. You're making send the information to my phone, right?
Alright.
Alright, later then.
Mm-hmm.
Sister.
Girl, we are afraid of me so far.
You know, see, I told me I got something I go down town go David to go back to school. I don't try my depart. Can come in?
Make sure your mother don't have a problem, you know, because I can't take the job with that woman.
She doesn't know nothing.
But I don't know, my mother stays there, you know.
I don't know.
And that's why I no offense, but I don't like. Talking about that, I'm putting on this. You know, tell school. Every day you get up, you learn something at school? Every day you get up just up with that piece of scenario on the neck, gone to school. You know what, go do your thing what me I do. You know, see me not shot or nothing.
Girl, boy, me. You're my bigger sister, you know. I influence me about this and that. That is something where I do and something good for me. I can't manage them there something there. And a good something that I do if you stop to our mind. I know what I'm to you. Me alright with going to school. We get something more time. And I know that.
Me tell you every day, you know, say you that I follow your mother, and your mother rub off on you. You don't have another sense, you know. Kira, you see, for one day your school fee can pay more, you come to me and make me run you. Because what me I do, I eat and make me survive right now. Going to school, but that I go do. You go to school, you go leave school and you no work. Same way, and you go. You know what? I don't know why me have a argument with you. Do anything you want, do what's best.
No, I see why my mother always told me to stay far from you. It's alright, I can't go deal with me and you.
Yes, go on, because your mother cross it. So you can't always stay far from me. Well, I'm not cross it. Go ahead.
Mother? She's here. And it's up in there. You hear me at 25 I get there?
Okay.
Because today is Wednesday, so he really high. So I go in, I go in you know. So.
Alright, thanks.
Just reach in back here. Where you come back?
So go so early.
You know, say mommy they said me go Western have to collect something for you this morning. But I never get through this morning, so I have to left class and then I go collect you and then I come up.
Yeah, so you alright though?
Yeah, me alright, you know, so I go look for my sister. Don't look for her, I left her from school because I need to go collect something in town to go back and I book her over she had sit down. She will tell me, say, me if you can't do what she do.
What she do?
You know, she go out at night time, see different man and get money or something.
So me change things if you can't do what she do.
Me don't want to her.
And she say, yeah, I got college to get something good out of life.
She has talk about me going to college, I get told about subject the man and can't get the work. I don't know why she had the place before that. You have English test tomorrow?
Yeah.
You stay here about?
Last year.
Me know say it a go kind of rough. But, me don't know, we have to try something to see if we can board from the school. Because every day I go, I pay a fare for here so to down in the town, from the town to down high school. Too much money, it don't make no sense. So, me don't know if you can ask your brother them or your sister to send you money so I can board from the school. Because it would be easier for me. Sometimes I can't get taxi when I reach when I saw the high class lecturers. The lecturer don't like when time late either. Because she say, I'm her favorite girl. She don't want me to late. Because she say, I have potential. So I ask her for please. See what you can do for me.
Hi, Kira. I don't really want to bother them anymore. I don't want to pressure them.
You understand me?
So, all I can tell you, just one juggle things in the meantime. So till something turn up for you.
But me, if I even one chance so I can get people stay somewhere closer to down that way there, so that I can just get one taxi or just one little walk go to school, that would have even better for me. So if I even ask him for one little money where I can get for rent one little apartment, not even that money.
Alright. I'm going to try. See if I can contact them and see what can work out. Right?
Alright, mommy, and if you can continue then about the pressure them if you don't want to. It's alright, we just wake up early enough. So if I have class 10, I left like from 8. So if I know so I can take one over 8 to 9 get one taxi by 9 something I reach. Alright, mommy, so I'm going to let you know.
Safe journey here.
Alright, thanks.
Dear. Huh? Your face looks so.
No, mommy, man. She me tell her say I want board and she say I can't board because she don't have it and sit and whatever. I'm tired for you going to come and you have to come. We have high school, we have person to come meet me. I can't manage it.
babe, stop worry about them things, babe. I just time, due time, things are gonna work out. And then me not no problem to come up and come meet you a morning time. Me not no problem. Me not do either. And school no start. And like say, me come up here and class start and me go late. Me come up here off of my own. And me come up here for me to walk and we chat about things. If you not study, we go and walk and study. Me not no problem there. Just time, you have to just take time. Your mother not work, you have to just bear with that a little bit.
Alright then, you ready?
Yeah man, I'm ready and just stop worry yourself. You hear me say?
Come on.
Just come on now and stop worrying yourself.
You know, so I come to you for access.
Ask me one. Me tell but you stop coming on me now. You take this thing for joke.
You hear me out now, man? Sis, let me tell you. This man me ask mother if she can make me board for this school and she say she don't think it possible she go try. But me know say you work really have enough money. So me ask her if you can just help me out to make me can board for the school and then we like pay you back after.
You know, you have the heart of a lion. After what day, I sit down out the veranda and I talk to you about this thing. And you have the audacity. You remember, your mama don't like me, you know? Remember? Your mother don't like me. And she go like she better than people. She should have find the money. Figure for board. I don't want to know about me, because then again, me gonna take my money give you for go to school. You come out of school with a subject that may still not work. And me still go bad. That's a waste of money. I'll see about it.
Girl, mommy here for stay so just try help me out, please. I don't want you to see about it. I want you help me out. No. So I can go to night school, go sort it out back tomorrow.
Listen to me. You beg, and at the same time you tell me say me fi see about it. Cause me fi just money the under my pillar, so me fi just take up the money give your care. Listen to you, see if you the can do what me I do, you would do there, so it's a problem. You can't balance your half, you can't do that and do school. You would have maybe a drive, you have your own place, you know. But no, you think with something else, but you not think with your brain.
Girl, me not want you influence it, but I put that in my head, me not do that. Don't go me. You always want to tell me this. Yeah, my bigger sister, you do better and tell influence me.
Well, leave me alone. And stop begging me things. Go on, go make your mother, your Christian money. Mother. Go make your Christian mother find you, make she go look past her.
Alright.
Go on, man. When your mother find you, when your mother can't find you, make me know. And don't slam my door. Right.
Sis, you know, see how comes and say, we did tell you about finally make up my mind. And it all kind of rough for me. I don't know how I'm going to do it with school and eat, but I'm going to try. Because since as a night, we would go out and then we have a cool night morning. I'm try and then we can see if we can leave early in the night. Because I really want a new place. I'm tell you the same mood. I really need to live so life and sit it up. Finally make up my mind, so tell me how everything will go.
Alright. She say finally come to your senses. So, in the meantime, you can't stay with me on 2 nights. Nothing past that, because if we go 2 nights, you won't make enough money. Just free up yourself and stop no go and make your idiot to make enough money. I mean, I tell her, don't make your mama know say I make get this job. Because I know I have to trace her. So just do what you do. I know what you go tell her say you do. Alright, but don't make sure say I get this job. Because I will trace her.
But I'm off with her. I don't know where we go.
So you can wait one step at a time. Me and everything can talk out the door with them. When we go in, I tell her what to do and how this thing work.
Alright. That's alright. So come in and come tell me everything what I have to want. So go on.
What's here? We picked it up from my own house. What is this? And that may I say,
Sorry, you know, say when me dey school, me say we should have let the key for you. No, me have good news. Good news. Guess what? Me say, Mummy, it's a good thing, say. As I didn't say now, there's something you have to ask. Me ask the lecturer for the English class we go. If no way that when me can stay up on the dam, work and pay back. So what me I do now, they make me go be photographer for school, the cinematographer and the editor. So me go video or something and then me can get the opportunity to stay up on the dam and pay them. So me now go stay with them anymore. Me go move to the dam over high school.
that sounds good.
Yeah, Mommy, so you don't have to bother text your brother or your sister and bother them. So go in, you know, go pop me excited. Me I wait till my boyfriend come over so me can tell me good news. Yes, Mommy, come now. You must stay here.
Open the door for me.
I'm saying, Mommy, we have one bag of assignment for you.
Don't worry yourself.
Come. Yes, so the reason why I call them over to tell them what good news we get today, I'm very excited. So my sister give me money. My sister give me money for rent for an apartment near school, so I don't have to go back and forth, so it's easier for me. But I don't listen to my mother because I tell her I get one opportunity to work in the school and stay on the dance. And don't say if you tell her nothing about my sister, she will get mad and say rated and whatever. So I don't have to tell her.
Yeah, that's a good news still if you know say you are the closest to the school and you know if you walk from take taxi from up so or way down so a good news that still so make sure say you know go do the same work with your sister doing remember if you know say you go link up with the sister now you kinda look one way if your mother go find out.
Me link up with my sister, no, so I'm not them something. What my sister will me tell you is nothing will fit my criteria for me do. And by the way, when I left school, I still have to go pay her back. If me left school and it's nothing to do. She said my first name, I have to pay her back. So I still have to go pay her back. So I don't have them business with my sister. I'm not saying that. Anyways, well, my English test tomorrow, come in, I will go study or I go.
I'll go study because I have something to do meantime. My mother tell me to do something on the road, so I do something on the road and go study.
Alright then. Tomorrow. say, Missy cut from move coming here, probably
Until
from move coming here, probably try to change the climate with the kind of sick. So, I do assignment them online and send them in. My classmates send me them.
you shouldn't tell me come over here until me can take care of you. Who take care of you?
No, really not fussy. I just sign us bad for me, you know.
If you tell me them something, man, come here worry, I say, what happened to you?
Everything going
And you could have rest, you know? And you not tell me I don't know nothing.
Everything, I don't know really hard, you know what.
If you tell me, man.
Actually, I'm signing us or something. Is that anyway? What happened with you? Everything alright? Call you not call me.
You know, so I'm kind of busy.
Busy for your girlfriend?
Not really that day, me a whole bar assignment and plus not running business, remember?
Alright, anyway, my sister forgot to get the money to pay for your so for now, you can drop me off.
Yeah, me can drop you out the camera, go away there.
Mr. Girl, I'm glad someone come to this 2 weeks. You did right. I mean, I'm one place already. I'm a lovely place to see this.
You glad to come do this and I fight me have to fight you for do this? I say always go still.
Why one thing do I mean I lie to my mother and my boyfriend. Cause my mother thinks say a boy me up with the school and my boyfriend thinks say and you a pay a few place which I'm there.
Boyfriend? So me don't know what is a boyfriend. So what you are gonna tell that the man they say? You have to do something for someone there, girl. Me never know she have a boyfriend.
Girl, what you mean me have to do something before something to me? Then me and him live for 2 years plus. I remember him board upon the school and me and one never board upon the school. We thought what me have to do something. What you mean? I don't understand.
So, oh, you say you're on this boy 2 years now. And now what day you are telling me say you don't have no money to pay you have, the boarding fee something. And this boy where you're on there 2 years now could pay it for you. Right? For sure you. And the man will just take up. He might pay your rent. He might buy food for you. He might make sure see your schooling alright and whatever. And you're going to tell me the same. You can't leave him because you're on there 2 years now. So 2 years out of poverty that. You know say that. Me tell you say you're not smart and all me try grooming on this thing. Boy, man tell you. Well, if this a man find out say you and that the boy that they know say I done business cause he not go pay rent. So you have to go back to your mama yard because you're not coming here.
So you try to tell me say me have to go left my boyfriend because I want man. So you have to find out girl. Me just make him come there in the night or not early morning or something. Oh yeah, well just for you.
Me not try to tell yourself left him. Me I tell yourself left him because you're gonna look like idiot on the road. When everybody say yes you buy a big house or you're about to buy a car or something and then this man all of a sudden now you're going back to your mother house, people you're gonna look like idiot on the road. So me not try to tell yourself left him. Me as a sister I tell yourself left him. A broke man them then I see a school him a fee mother still take care of him school for everything. So if you want to be a dumbass and still there with him, you're gone.
Alright, done. Jesus got the extra. It's alright. We figure something out and left him. It's alright. I gotta look for my mother anyway, so I have to go put her back me. Alright, just something to make sure she thinks that I got school. So just I go link her and then we just link up back later. So we have some of go tonight, right?
Yeah, your body not like a girl. Look where you little girl in here, you go change, you go to your mother.
Me not change.
So you go to your mother and that? Okay, so you go tell your mother say college party you going to school?
No, sis, me go tell her say I never have school today, I do some assignment and something. That's why I have one this and I just run and check her. But that me go tell her, you know my story already. Learn from the best. Later.
Good girl, gone bad, go on. You get tick door.
Mother? Yes, here am I. Good evening. You must have sent me that show.
Imagine
2 weeks now.
2 weeks now. You not even come look if me live now, me dead. How are you there, sir?
No, sorry man, but as me tell my mind now, say me have to work and me have to balance it with the class what me I do. So I choose me at work, same time me have to go run the whole school and I take picture and video. Plus me did have exams straight, so for two weeks me busy and me have assignments we send in and all of this something too. So sorry, mommy, sorry. I'm saying I go come get a check it out, so I go and everything alright.
But by the way, how are you dressed, sir?
Mommy, what you mean? What to be dressing?
Oh, you mean why me ask how you about your dressing? I saw you got class in them clothes there.
Mommy,
Them clothes they are sporting something, you know.
mommy, me go to class today and me go home go drop do the assignment them and then me come for that book here and say me go come stay with you for the evening and then me make my boyfriend come pick me up. Because he drive now in father give him one car for his birthday.
Okay.
Yeah, mommy, so come on, you cook pork and rice and peas, my favorite.
Yes.
Come on, I'm going to go get some of your food. Yeah, come on, Roshan. Go sit down.
Man.
Yeah, just have something to chat here. Boys, I don't know another way to say this, but me have to go stop deal. Reason being,
Why?
my sister pay for you, so you know, say you have to school for me, and we can't bother for you. Go back to my mother. Plus, she give me money sometime. You realize, you have a laptop I'm buying her.
That's another reason.
You hear me saying? My sister says she pay for you and you don't like her and she don't like her, so you can't come back here. So what you going to do? This is going to be the last time you will come here?
So true sister so that we're gonna break up.
Yeah, I'm done talk. And plus, you distract me.
Oh, me I distract you. And only thing me ever intend to do, I come to school, get your assignment then done and focus on the right thing. Me boy.
Sean, you don't talk?
Your sister not like me, you know. She a influence of left me.
You don't like her, that's why you mentioned you come inside and she pay for you, sir, Sean. And you know
So
what
we
she
done?
do. We done.
They really have done everything, so.
Just like that. You can't afford to mash up my career. So the best thing is I just go on. Go on, Sean, go on.
They will love you.
Sorry?
Yeah, my love, babe, don't make it done like this. Dear.
Just go on, Sean, man. Go
Babe,
on.
stop now, babe.
Go on. Go on. Go. And my sister place, you're not even help me clearing. And you have money and anybody.
You never asked me to pay your rent.
Go on.
Yes, Miss Wall.
What going on? You good?
I'm not good enough because Kira says she want to break up with me right now. I'm stressed out. I ask if you can talk to her for me, please.
Why reason why she said she want to break up with you? Why problem?
She said me I distract her from her work. And a long time we are talking, so I don't know what happened. She just said, me I distract her from my work, so we need to stop this so we have no one. We just don't understand.
The two no come to me and me have a talk with them. See if I can help you now, alright?
Well, you have to just call her and call me and then we come up here and then we talk. I don't even think she go and do that thing because she make up her mind already.
Alright, me go say me can talk to her, but you don't have to worry about that, alright? Things are alright.
I just go and do me I do. You know, I just go and do me I do because from start to look at business, I try focus on it more, you know. Alright, so me see you then, yeah?
Alright.
Tonight is gonna be a good night. Wonder if Lacey ready yet. Tonight is gonna be a good night. Oh yes it is. Where my phone is, bro. Girl, you not ready? What? You remember saying you have to come back home for me assignment them, you know? You said you know, remember saying you have to balance this with college. You mean you not ready yet, girl? What you mean me need to stop? Stop college and stop do assignments and then something there? But the business if when we start me I can make more money because I come home too early. I don't care. Girl, if this maybe I do if probably feel me one day, college work, college still there. Girl, stop foolishness and just earn. I remember say yeah, people they want to pick me up. And plus me at this one me have one. You buy my phone? Buy my phone or your phone? You just yeah, piss me off right now, girl.
No mistake. Please.
Boyfriend. Dave, come here and stop the light.
I lock the door.
We are like door for. You see me tonight.
Stop fooling.
I love you. I love you. You know what I'm saying? Love something very
Stop
good.
laughing, man. Calm down.
Left me back me on our road there. Yo, we're going to the road together. Da, da, da. I love you. We are going tonight.
Stop the foolish. Take off the bag.
What? We not take off me. They are road tonight.
Take off the bag.
No, we are going road tonight. Tonight.
You need to say jump.
We not jump. If we need jump,
Take
we
off the bag.
don't take off the road. Go up tonight.
Where you even come from this hours a night? Eh?
Yeah? We are covered this was right, eh?
Yeah.
Let me
come
run.
on.
Cover look nice too much. You want to know where I come from? Alright, let me tell you where I come from.
One thing.
Me and my sister Lacey, we sell
Your motor smell like rum.
You don't want to know where I come from, you
Where
tell
you
me where I
come
come from. Me and my sister Lacey, we go out on the road at night and then man stop. I would jump in the car, I would go. And then we take one something we just make with a real low way, so we don't know what.
Oh?
And then we come up with enough money and then that's why we can play for this beautiful place. And you think that's why I got college. Oh, mommy, nice college, daughter. College boring.
You do work with your sister do.
Yeah. Wonderful. I make a lot of money. I'm so rich. Oh my God. You want to buy a house? You want to buy your car? Yeah, I'm not worth it. It's funny, man. It's very funny, man.
Take off your clothes.
You gonna be at me?
You go in bed.
Yes, let's go. You gotta buy me.
You have to go with your phone, Mr. Man.
Yes, every time. Oh, even when it's for fun, we go back where they came.
Stop in there
Right.
night.
Don't think you have to
Come.
damn it. This girl upset.
Come go bed, man. Come go bed. Come. Y'all smell all weird. What smells up? You know what you tell me last night? You mean when I'm there? You come in junk. You say you smell one weird. You tell me everything. You do work with your sister do. You come down and say you pay your own rent. You want to lie when you tell me your mother?
I don't know what we are talking about. Because if me drunk, we are listening to what me say when me drunk. That makes sense? I know me not tell them nothing. Last night. So,
Just tell
they
me
let you-
everything. Remember people talk the truth when they're drunk, you know? So either you tell your mother or me I go tell your mother. Because I can't believe say you really could come, boy.
We can't. Alright. Whatever. Just go on. Just go on. I don't even want to talk to you right now. Just go on.
Just remember, so never tell your mother if you tell your mother. Just remember.
Just please, just don't tell her. We just have to think about something. Just please, please.
So what going on, Roshan?
Miss Valley, me come to tell you something with me here yesterday. Kira, she now come to school. Me now see her. She a do work where you know Lacey, her sister from her father's side. She a do same work where her sister do. And I can't believe that she gone in and that they work there. All when she tell us that she move come to school, but she a work and pay. Her apartment, she there do her work where her sister do. She no come and no school. She done with school all along. And she only tell me say her sister pay rent for which part she there, and she tell me say me not ready if you tell you. All of them just sit there going and you don't know.
But Jesus, you sure about what you're talking about?
Very, very sure.
Roshan, my good daughter.
Yes.
Where they at college.
She gone bad now.
May I forgot read it. Start to know if something goes off it true.
Something goes off through mood and tell her if you call her right now, she not there at school.
Or because you're not broke up, that's why you can't tell me.
No, Miss Valley, and not because of that. That she a do for true. Moon come up and start tell lie.
I don't believe you. My pitney, my good pitney. I don't believe what you talk say.
Miss Valley, I swear unto the God, me not tell her no lie. But if you don't want to believe me, me a go. I swear, you know, Miss Valley, me not tell her no lie.
Alright,
But it's
Roshan.
alright.
Alright, Roshan.
Yeah.
Where are?
Open the door now.
Me tell her say me head done, when me a pull the door for where want, where you come here for go on in your yard.
Me tell her mother everything, you know.
Where you tell my mother?
No red, man. Me tell her mother everything. So just, but me can't pull the door.
My mother not gonna believe it anyway, so go on.
Alright.
So mommy, what go on you know? Everything alright? What go on around your house?
Roshan, come this morning, come check me. And I can't believe what him tell me. He tell me say you're gonna link head with your sister and I work with your sister and then kind of something there and you're not go to college and something. How that go?
Mommy, you that he really come around and come tell her?
Yes.
You know there's something wrong with him? Mommy, I said you, but I tell you, Roshan cheat for me, that's why I break up with him. I said you break up with him and that's why my mother not talk or something. That Mommy, I really believe that you're nice daughter. Why me I can't call it you and make you proud? Me exam them, me have a do exam, me just don't do and me say me I can link you. I really believe.
Me not really,
You wicked and lie.
me not really believe, but me still have to ask you.
You know my not there today. Woman, this is not over where Roshan till you here. Anyways, we are do you go cook or want cook for you. Anyways, although I not go stay long, I have to go back. We have to go back to the school before certain hours because then we like to get pan we.
Because you can't cook quick enough, you can't go and do that for me.
So come on, mommy, I go over Miss Joyce.
Remember say me no really got people here, you know. Me like to make one of you.
So come on, mommy.
Enormous instantaneous.
Girl, me and mama clothes and everything. What? Then I know see one night when we go out and come home, we well drunk. Listen, man. My ex-boyfriend is not there. Sit down. At least I never know exactly what I'm about. Just moving there. The morning now, when time I wake up, he sit down right on bed foot. Me did drunk and I tell him everything and wait. Then me run him now and tell him to come back here. Never exactly run him the same time, but listen, Jesus second chat. Yeah, then he go tell my mother. He come back the next day. But he tell my mother everything. When we go over mommy evening, this evening, today he come here. Girl name me, I nearly forgot. Today he come here when we go over mommy this evening. Mommy I talk about Russian come tell her so me and with my sister. If something go, no mommy me and my sister I thought they go to college and I doing my assignments and I go make up. That we will me tell the college we can't manage them Sunday right now. Anyways, girl, for work, I'm excited for tonight. Alright now, me hot like a fire. You know what me about? Alright now. Me I come around here for me. Can you just slow? And the reason why I never come around here because I know it's going to take long. So every time I just come right now and go and roll a lap till already. Because gosh, it's terrible. I'm coming right now, so just stop in there and go off on my phone. You go on. Definitely too much chat. Me coming.
Enormous continuous.
So I bring you here. Why you look so?
Boy, sis, you know, I say something good on door. Boy, I don't even know if you say this right now. Me in trouble. You remember at night, ladies' night, when we did wear the well hot clothes and you tell me say 2 or 3 we can expect for deal with tonight or whatever. Well, the night there now, 2 of them we did get. One in the car back and one on the back part appear. And boy, I don't know, I wake up about 2 weeks after I wake up. I have vomit and sick, but I never pay that no mind. When I reach 3 weeks now, I extend. I go get one PP stick, sister, and I pharmacy. I'm pregnant now, I don't know if you get me that, so you have to get me now.
Okay. So you pregnant? Gee, Kira, I'm tell us you have to be smart in this thing, you know. You know what you have to go do now, right? You know what you have to go do?
What have to do?
You see the boy when you talk to at school, you go tell him say a fee. Because then the man, they are married man. Then the man, they go take that the responsibility. They are funny man, then come for have you go and open your foot and go and breed.
Man, I'm foolish with that, you know. Oh, if you go. Look, you tell myself to stop talking to you, but I'm not talk to you by for 2 weeks. You think you why idiot? Oh, I forgot to tell him, say, me a breed for him, and me and him do that in 2 weeks. How me and him breed? From long distance? Yeah, come on me yard, come knock and me no answer. And you get me in this, so you have to get me on.
Yeah, I blame myself. I blame myself because I'm an idiot. I get you in this yes, but you enjoy the riches. And then you as them, I tell us say always use protection, Kim. Always tell us say use protection. No, it's sex sweet, you. So you go lay down and you just take it so. till you make man breathe. You go tell that boy, say you never know say you're pregnant. You not talk 2 weeks now. Tell him say, after any time you're pregnant, you have to do something before something. You come and tell us, say, them man there, they don't want no responsibility. Unless you want to breathe and carry that thing, and you know no father, and you know no auntie neither.
You see for this? Me hate you, I don't want to chat back to you for the rest of my life. I don't want nothing to do with it. My mother did it right. You have bad news. You sick my stomach.
You eat me eat it. Me eat you first. Me eat you, you dirty woman. I bet you come out and me and don't come back in your boy you gonna breathe it. Damn fool.
Relax now, Kira. Just come over here for me, please. Me just want to talk to you. Please, mommy, can't explain myself. Just come over here now. Sean, first of all, I just want to apologize to you for everything. You did right, my sister bad news. We get caught up, and right now, me in a deep problem, me I tell you. Right now, I'm pregnant, and my sister want me to tell you, she want me to tell her say I'm pregnant for you. I'm not telling her lie. I love you, and my sister just influenced me and just make me just blind me to say good somebody me have and feel so mad. I say, I don't know why me make she just spin me and turn me into one big idiot. Me just want to say, I'm sorry, I ask her please forgive me. I don't know what else we say, just please just forgive me. Find me out, forgive me. Please, Sean.
This is me they talk to you. I mean, ask you, you know? I ask you, say, make sure you not do work with your sister do. And I say, yes, Roshan, yes. Be sure you not date me and what they gonna do. And really. You tell me lie. Much time you tell me lie. You left me. You know how I feel when you left me? Eh? You broke my heart. I didn't even know what I got through. But anyway, still, everybody make mistake. I'm forgive you.
Roshan, be sorry. Really and truly. When I tell us about my sister give me money for rent, yes, so, and my sister give me no money. But the coffee stay with her for 1, 2 days, 2 nights.
Remember, say me the ask, you know?
Roshan, me know, just listen now, hear me out now, please. We did go out in a night, 2 months.
You
and
get pregnant.
50,000 and that's how I come I get for rent, yes, so I pay for rent and deposit. But I'm glad you find you have to forgive me, but I just want you to help me do one more something. First, I can't stay here, so, because I can't, not
your mother know about this?
No, that I call you for mom. I just want to talk to you, apologize, I'm very sorry. And I want you to follow me go to my mother now so that we can come clean and tell everything.
Boy, man, tell you now. This is going to look bad for you, because your mother going to say she has Senegal school, she worked hard earn money, Senegal school, and you look, you not go to school, you go pregnant, you get pregnant. You see them there sitting there? And then if you never there, Senegal school, now you're not say, boy, mommy, I send me go to school and and I want to go to school. But you go to school and you go do foolish. You see? That happened to you, you know. You make your sister lay there straight. Come on.
Evening, mommy.
Even Miss
Good evening.
Yes.
What now?
I feel so shame and embarrassed. I don't even know how to tell you, but I go come clean and I go tell you the truth about everything. Everything done to school, lazy, and the place where I stay, and everything we are going, currently are going now in my life. Because I'm going to get too craven.
What you say? What you tell? What you say to me? Where really you say to me? So you get mixed up in a bad company with Lacey?
You remember when me tell us say about me get place to stay upon the school? That was a lie. Lacey influenced me to do what she had do. Me stay with her 2 days, 2 nights over she house. And in the night then we go out to man and we get money. And we rent the place. And that me do when me tell her say me do that. When me come and me tell her say me I do classwork and something all the time them. Me never did that do no classwork. Lacey influenced me and me did that with her. And now 3 weeks ago she did have some. You remember the night when we cook for you?
Yes.
The night there, something did go on and she did set up 2 man for me. And I don't know what happened, but for 2 weeks I did have it and I never know what go on. I find out I'm pregnant after 2 weeks. That make 3 weeks now. I go to her this morning, I tell her, and she say I'm for her business and something me, so I run her, I tell her say me hate her, I not chat back to her, and she didn't even want me to stuck upon Russian. So I call Russian, I apologize to him, I tell him everything, and he said me to come over here to you. So I come down, mommy, to tell you, and me sorry, me disappointed me, but I just want more. Like college is not too much for me, so I just want more, and then I go want too much done.
But Kira, I can't believe you. Kira really disappoint me. After me talk to you so much, I'm want you feel nobody link with Ed with Lacey. I can't believe. Kira, you put me good. Kira, really?
Oh, I'm sorry.
You put me good. I can't believe you. Kira, you really let me down.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh Jesus, my God.
I never come to you for your lecture, me come to you for come clean me. And plus the place where me now go can't stay there no more. And Lacey say me can't go tell him and the man them, because the 2 of them are married man and they now go business with me. So me just ask you please to forgive me. We stay here, me they have some money from the night them when time we did ourselves. We just give you and you just help me out. Me and me now go do no abortion.
have to talk all them something in your life. You have to just remember your mistake. Alright, sweets?
Alright.
So see brother. No, I'm something for the day, so I need to check it out.
If you hear my voice, that means I reach the end of the movie. Thanks for watching. If you did enjoy, comment down below. Let me know if you see anything or know that I say you want to go fix up. Also, let me know. Everybody's opinion matter, so we can do better next time. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next movie. Big up on yourself. Remember, like, share, comment, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell. If you're new, welcome. Join the gang. You won't regret it. Big up on yourself. Alright guys, so we did do the outro and I forgot. I don't know how comes, but we forgot to mention. The reason why we take so long for post, we can have a little problem. Roshan's mom. I don't know how to say it. I don't really want to expose all our information on here, so but she have surgery to do, and it would have really been nice if anybody can help Roshan out. Thing would have really appreciate it. May I do this for you because you really want to help, and some people don't like beg him. You know Roshan's here. He not gonna come and just say it and say it with a one. So anything you have one because if you whatever, if you help do the surgery, we now go expose all that information. If you not text me, we can then tell you no further on, but I'm not gonna say it over this everybody here. So just please help me out, would I really appreciate it. I'm gonna put my information on the video if you text me from, and thanks for watching again. Big up on yourself.